Ladies and gentlemen, are you in the market for a great budget microphone to do your YouTube videos or whatever kind of content you're creating on the internet? Well, I have the answer for you. We have the Fifine K669 condenser microphone, and I'm actually recording this whole video on this microphone right now. So guys, I'm gonna be doing various audio tests, and I'm tired of watching reviews that just take forever to explain how good products are. Guys, this is one of Amazon's like top rated microphones, and it's top rated for a reason. It's one of their best sellers. Fifine is a great company. I've owned one of their other microphones in the past, and it's done exceptionally well. That one was for like $22. This one retails for $30, and you can also get $2 off if you just order the rose red version, as you can see here. This kind of version here. So instead of me just doing all these like complicated audio tests, just listen to my voice right now. This is slightly tuned with a compressor on OBS, but this is mainly the audio quality you're going to get. The audio on this is super clean, super crisp, and it's great for podcasting. I'm actually going to be using this microphone for my podcast. Now, I can just sit here and talk like this. This is how I normally speak. If I were to get up really close, it's probably gonna be very loud, and this is what it sounds like. This is how you're normally gonna be speaking into the microphone. It has a nozzle on here where you can just volume up and down. Very cool and very nice. Now, if I were to adjust the volume and crank it all the way up, I'm gonna be back here and you can still sort of hear me because of how loud it is. But I'm gonna be turning that down because I don't want to sound like a crazy person. So if I crank it up and I'm just like, I'm just out, you know, like I'm out. Like, this is an audio test from all the way back here. You guys let me know how it sounds. Awesome. This microphone's dope. Yeah. Let me just crank that down real quick. So guys, go pick this microphone up. It is amazing for podcasting. It's amazing for creating content on YouTube, Twitch. I don't know what you're live streaming to, Mixer, if you want to be like Ninja or something like that. Guys, go pick it up. I'm going to put a link in the description down below. This is like one of the easiest recommendations I can make. It's literally only $30. If you get this color, it's like $28. Like, it's super cheap, super amazing. This is going to last you a long time. Super compact, easy to adjust. It can rotate. All that good stuff. Includes a stand. It's a USB microphone, compressor microphone. It checks all the boxes. Literally, just go pick it up right now. This video's over. This is one of the best microphones I've ever heard in my life. Not as good as Blue Yeti though, but it's still insane. I'm gonna be using this for my podcast. Go check it out, Life Made Easy Podcast, link down below. If you guys want to see more technology related content, we discuss amazing topics over there at Life Made Easy Podcast. Go check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.